Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to log into your eBay account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Open your eBay app. Then here you can see the option of exclusive. Here you can see the option of sign in with Google, Facebook. If you already have an account, then you can sign in directly. I don't have an account, so I'll create one. So create an account. Here you get an option of continue with email, continue with Google. I would like to continue with Google. Tap on continue with Google. Then after, here you'll see accounts. You can tap on one account for which you want to create an eBay account. There you go, you have created your eBay account. There you go. Now you can shop your luxury items, sneakers, bag, cosmetics, anything you want. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more